What is going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you want to learn how to keep your car maintained and all other kinds of cool stuff, then click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss anything. If your car is overheating because of the cooling fans not working properly, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to check that. Stay tuned. What I'm going to do is explain to you my procedure I use when I check cooling fans. The first thing I do is I go on the internet and find a schematic of the cooling system on the vehicle that I'm working on. This is what the schematic looks like. Next we'll check the fan fuses. On this car here, the battery junction box is under the hood. Fuse number 6 and fuse number 5 both take 40 amp fuses. And this is for 2007 Ford Edge. If those fuses are good, I'll hook a snap-on scanner tool to the car and I'll go to functional tests and I'll manually try to turn on the cooling fans. You don't have to use a snap-on scanner. If you don't have a scanner, you can get one on Amazon for like $60 to $70. That'll do the exact same thing. I'll put a link down in the description below where you can get one at on Amazon. After you hook your scanner tool to it and you check your fans, if the fans don't come on and you know your fuse is good, next thing I'm going to do is I'll go to the motors themselves. I'll unplug the motor and you'll see there's a red and a black wire on both those cooling fans. We'll check those fans directly. If those fans work and you're getting the proper signal to your control module, then it's going to be your module. If the fans aren't working, it's going to be your fans. That's the procedure that I do when I check all my cooling fans. Now let's go out there and I'll show you how to hook up your fans to the battery to watch them work. This is your control module for the fans. It's right in front of the breather box. I've got 2 test wires, green for ground, red for hot. I went to the connector down here, found the ground wire, hooked the green up, found the hot wire, and hooked the red up. So now I'm going to take the red connector and touch the positive. The fan should come on. Alright, the fan did not come on. After hooking up the wires, the fans didn't come on. I took a Phillips head screwdriver and lightly tapped on the fan and it came on. That tells me there's an internal problem in that fan somewhere. So we'll replace these motors and everything will be just fine. After pricing out the fan motors, we went ahead and priced out an assembly. It was cheaper to go with an assembly. It came with a brand new module. The whole cost was right about $200. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe.